Okay, we are going to head back to Jeff Ray right now to talk about your first alert weather forecast, sir. Nice today, sun's out today, but some changes on the way.
Yeah, major changes on the way by the time we get to Tuesday. But first, this is the day ending as the Earth turns away from the center of our solar system. 40 was the low, 54 was the high, and that's that blue box right there. This is the first time in January we've had a daytime high that's below normal. It's the second warmest start to January on record, but wave goodbye to that warm weather. It's not going to be around this week. Starting tomorrow, we'll only be into the mid-50s, but it's going to be at least a pleasant day. Not a lot of wind and temperatures climbing out of close to freezing into the 50s. First alert weather day, however, is the very next day on Tuesday with widespread rain that starts in the early morning hours and a possible mix of snow in our northwest counties. Temperatures are going to be in the 40s and 30s through all this, above freezing, so no snow accumulation expected in the Metroplex. But let me show you what we think is going to be happening. This is in the low 40s for temperatures on Tuesday morning. Notice the snow, the winter weather is out to our west. So we start the day with some heavy rain in spots, some rumbles of thunder, no severe weather, but temperatures just holding in the 40s across the day. Then that winter weather starts creeping in our northwest counties by the lunch hour, over by Wise, over by Denton, and we could see it in Gainesville and Sherman, but it's mostly just still a mix-up here, and the temperatures are so warm it mostly melts except for the grassy areas. We can see we're going to see some snow. We think we'll see some snow as soon as we fall into the night of Tuesday night, but it will likely not be around very long, and certainly not long enough to get things cold enough to stick. Temperatures will be into the 30s, again above freezing this whole event. So again, Tuesday morning you start off with some cold rain in the Metroplex. You will see some snow in that rain across the afternoon, a few areas of sleet as well. This goes on into the evening hours and it leaves as all snow probably, but the commute will still face very wet conditions and windy conditions in the morning. Give yourself extra time on Tuesday trying to drive around because there will be rain in the evening commute as well, but it'll be mixed with snow. But again, too warm to stick. Any minor problems will be up across our northwest, where maybe a half an inch will fall, but not stick other than on the elevated surface with some slush on the roads. Potential rainfall, we haven't had measurable rain in January. This might be the first big rain we've had since mid-December. And then, well, as you can see, it's going to be winter all week. The 7-day forecast, there's your first alert weather day on Tuesday, and then just cold the rest of the work week. Finally, on Friday, we'll break out of that, get into the 60s with a little bit of rain on Saturday.
Okay, sir, we're going to warm up right now. It's time to bundle up. Thank you.